got the weather stripping off this old truck. It's nasty and corroded. After the paint job, we're definitely not gonna be putting this old weather stripping back on it. So we've got the new weather stripping here. We've got a few plastic panels inside the door that we've taken off or loosened up enough to be able to slip the new weather stripping underneath, and we're ready to get going. For this door weather stripping, it's just pushed on to this metal lip that runs all the way around the door frame. We're gonna start in the center of the bottom and just work our way around, pushing it onto that edge. And as you go around, you just want to make sure you're pushing it onto that edge and working it deep into the corner so they don't pull away. Again, you want to roll it up into the corner so you have the most material you can in there, so it's not stretched. And this piece of plastic is a little bit tight, but we're able to get the weather stripping underneath it and tuck it in. You just want to make sure it's sitting correctly. You can kind of feel when it goes into place. And as you can see, I'm pushing against the rubber to give it as much material as possible because you don't want it to pull from the center. It shouldn't shrink, but the more material you give it, the more pressure it's going to push together with, and that'll create a good joint. Now that we're at the end here, we're going to trim off the excess. We're going to cut it a little bit long, put those joints together, and work the excess back into the perimeter so those corners stay nice and tight and that joint stays nice and tight. I use a pair of 10 snips because there is a little bit of metal in this ridge here. So for comparison, this is what the door sounds like before the weather stripping. And this is what it sounds like with all new weather stripping. And if you like this video, hit like, hit the subscribe button so you can get more how-to videos.